Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fill color inside of your PDF XChange Editor. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Now there's a couple of ways what we can do. So the first way is to go ahead and click onto your home tab and then click onto select text. And now say if I want to go ahead and change this color here. So to do that, click onto that, and then from here we want to go ahead and click onto click on edit text, and now from here we can go ahead and change color. So go ahead and click on the format tab. Now I want to change this to a different color. So if I wanted to go ahead and make this green, I can, like so. Now the next way to fill color, we can go ahead and say if I want to put in a rectangle or a square, we've got different options. So I can go ahead and put in a red square or rectangle, sorry, a blue square. If I can draw out a square like so. Now we can change the fill color as well. So if I don't want blue, I can change this to any color I like this.